Hey guys, what's up? Stang Tech here. Today we're going to be doing a brake kit upgrade for the GX 460. I know it's not a Mustang video, but it's going to be a new toy. Well, actually it's the girl's new car. So you'll need the wheel lock key. If you do need that, I'll show you later in the video. Your system water jack stand, the brake caliper toolkit, impact wrench, rubber mallet, some silicone grease, brake cleaner, some WD-40 penetrant for any rusty bolts, the right the socket for the brake calipers, and these are the brake kits here. Obviously you're gonna need a jack, and if you have an extra cardboard lay around to help suck up all the brake cleaner. All right. Now we got the caliper removed, spray some brake clean on it. And now we're going to take off the rotor.